I am the Cataclysm! I will bury you.
You're toying with death!
I am Deathwing.
Get on the marker side. Do not be
Did you
on
jump
the
off
ship.
the edge?
I think his mouse died. Yeah, his mouse died. Watch charge. We go. We just keep going. This first one is Robin Zed. Do not be in front of the ads, guys. You guys are in front of the ads.
Get this one back here.
Get to soak. Big soak, guys. Everybody soak. To blue. Watch charge.
Get this one.
Get ready for soak. Sapper's coming down. Everybody on Sapper. Everybody on Sapper. Big next big soak is pink.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Get in this. To green, to green, to green, to green, to green. On watch charge, watch charge. Do not be in
Get
front of
this up here.
balls. Do not be in front of ads. Next big soak is Taro and Miles.
Get this.
Watch charge. Watch charge.
Sapper.
Big soak. This is Taro and Miles.
Came out.
To blue.
Get this.
Watch charge. Watch frontal. Do not be in front of ads. Keep up the hunters. Watch charge. Good. Next big soak is Tay Spiritling.
We got a sapper right now.
Everybody on the Sapper. Big soak as well. Big soak as well. Big soak as well. Big soak. This is Tay Spiritling.
Sapper's headed to the group.
Watch charge. 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 Kill Sapper. Get to green. To green. To green. To green. To green.
Get this.
Do not be in front of ads. Charge. We're getting a Sapper in 7 seconds. This next big soak is Robin Zed. This is last big soak.
Sapper.
To blue. To blue. Watch charge. Out of this. To blue. Sapper here. Grip and
Yes.
kill Sapper. Kill Sapper. Kill Sapper.
Good job.
We're going to red after this. Remember, I am roaring us away from purple. You need to make it out of the fucking shockwave. You get hit by this, you're fucking stupid.
I'll start with boss, I guess.
Okay, yep.
Tanks are gonna get ripped here. Let's get some mana back here. We're getting a Sapper here. Make sure we get the Sapper to melee and melee blow Sapper up.
Shockwave soon.
Don't move yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Move.
Watch your feet.
Watch Shockwave. Defensive. Vamp Bloodline. Good. We're on the orange side. Right side of boat. Right side of boat. Make sure you're not in the middle. Make sure you're where I'm standing. Dirt, you're gonna roar us this
Swap.
one.
Exchange.
Shockwave soon.
Watch Shockwave. Get the healing debuff off. We're not moving yet for Shockwave. Nobody... Why are we moving?
Stop moving early, please. Thank you.
Yeah, stay on this side. I will call for us to move. Keep the tanks up.
We can
Wow.
swap.
Alright. Next CD is
Shockwave
gonna
two.
next CD is gonna be Dragon's thing. Move. Healing debuff is out. Get this healing debuff off. It's on Goose. Good. That's fine.
Shockwave 2.
Move. I will trank this next roar. After the roar, we're tranking. I'm tranking. I'm tranking this.
Ramp blood is up.
Get this healing
Good
debuff
shot,
off
Dragon.
Judah.
Shockwave 2.
Alright, after this move, we are lusting. We're not lusting yet. Move. Move, 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 move. Big move, big move. Cookie if you get hit. After Cookie out of this. Lust. Make sure you're on the right side of the boat. I'm resing Lion. Keep up Miles.
Shockwave 2.
You
Rebuff
saw
the
that
line.
debuff.
No, I'm
We're
clear.
moving here, moving here, moving here, moving here. Watch Shockwave. Not yet. Move. You have roar. Move. Good job.
Taro, sack me.
Light. You have him, Light?
No, I use it.
Okay, no worries. Bubble the next roar before we get next roar if you can.
Got
I
it.
have no more CD.
Shockwave 2.
Rob, sack him. Yeah, good.
We're moving for this Shockwave. Nobody get hit.
Taunting in
Nobody's
2, 1
doing-
taunting.
Move, 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 move. Keep lining up. Oh my god, I got hit. I'm fucking bad.
You have my sack line. Let me know when you want.
I'm resing him,
Mine.
resing him, I'm resing him, resing him.
Fuck, I'm done.
Take.
Just take.
Tom.
Or, new frame. Okay.
Shockwave 2.
Careful for shock.
Watch Shockwave.
Yeah, just move for Shockwave here. Just move for Shockwave here.
Ready?
Stay here, stay here, stay here. Just keep lining up.
Easy.
Good walk.
Good
job.
shit.
job.
Okay, I just died. That's
Where
great.
the fuck was that?
How the
Where the
fuck,
fuck was that?
Hey, win hard. Let's
I
go.
died fucking 3 times. Wow, I'm a terrible player. Anyways. Yeah, true.
No, that guy fucking
Yeah.
rocked.